and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is keep. Here's a picture of keeping money in a pocket. Here's keep in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Keep means to have or retain possession of. Keep. Past progressive was keeping, past kept. Present progressive keeping, present keep, future will keep. Let's build a sentence. I keep. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. I keep what? What do I keep? I keep money. I like to keep money too. Let's build a sentence. I keep money. Where? Where do I keep money? I keep money in my pocket. Okay. Just like the picture. Let's build a sentence. I keep money in my pocket. Which pocket? I keep money in my front jeans pocket. Just like the picture. Let's build a sentence. I keep money in my front jeans pocket. When? When do I keep money in my pocket? I keep money in my front jeans pocket every time I leave. Okay, usually. Let's build a sentence. I keep money in my front jeans pocket every time I leave. Where? Where do I leave? Every time I leave my house. That's a smart idea. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.